हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज़ रिद्धि एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल टेल्स विद रिद्धि। सो मैंने काफ़ी पहले एक वीडियो बनाया था विच वाज माय जीडी एंड पीआई एक्सपीरियंस एट सॉइल फॉर माय पीजीडीएम जर्नी। एंड मैंने सोचा था दैट आई विल बी मेकिंग कंटिन्यूअस वीडियोज़ अबाउट माय पीजीडीएम जर्नी, बट एपरेंटली आई कुडंट बिकॉज MBA में काफ़ी सारे असाइनमेंट्स होते हैं। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट यू हैव like a lot of things like going on continuously, like internship, then NGO, then also trips. So 2 years I have thought that I'll be making continuous videos, but वो हो नहीं पाया. So now I'm here because मेरा अभी free time है and I have completed my PGDM journey at SOIL successfully. And अभी तक till the time I'm not getting my offer letter, I'm not disclosing the company where I got placed until and unless I get the offer letter. So तब तक I have free time. So I thought I was getting a lot of requests in LinkedIn and Instagram about my experience at SOIL. The people who are now thinking to take admission at SOIL, like I'm getting a lot of DMs with a lot of queries. So I thought why not I make a video about my entire experience at SOIL, because मैं 2 साल में बिल्कुल continue नहीं थी with my YouTube channel. So I thought कि yeah, now I have a lot of time and I can answer a lot of questions. So I have the time now here. So mostly मुझे जो भी majorly questions मिला है, I'll try my best to answer them according to my experience. Now here is a disclaimer because this is entirely my experience. So if you have in our batch there was 300 students and everyone has a different opinion about the college. So किसी का opinion अच्छा हो सकता है, किसी का opinion बुरा हो सकता है, किसी का neutral हो सकता है, depends upon their experience. But so far I'll be doing this video based on my experience. And so before you take a decision, just listen to everyone else, you talk to alumni, you do your research, but then take the end call based on your decision, like you calculate the ROI and everything because you are paying the fees. So please don't just depend on one person for your decision. So आप सबका सुन लो, you talk to people, and this video will be entirely based on my experience. I'm going to talk about is the curriculum of SOIL, that is the PGDM program. Now as you know, in my last video also I have covered the same topic, and जो लोग research कर रहे हैं, obviously those who are planning to take admission in SOIL, they also have an idea that SOIL has 2 campuses. One is in Manesar and one is in Sector 44 Gurgaon. One is for PGPM and one is for PGDM. So I did the PGDM program and I will give a review about the PGDM program as per my knowledge and experience. So yeah, I was there also in PGDM. There are 2 things. One is proper PGDM, which offers specialization like marketing, HR, finance and analytics, and apart from it we also have a specialization that is BDI. So I was in the PGDM BDI batch. Okay, that is a like huge shock for me even when I took admission, because I never opted for BDI. But the BDI section which was made, the college entirely decides based on some of your, I guess, extracurricular or something. So yeah, I was chosen for BDI among some other 59 students, and that was not my choice. But yeah, I don't regret it because वैसे तो कुछ बहुत बड़ा difference नहीं होता है PGDM and PGDM BDI में. So if you are among one of them, so don't get a huge shock. It's just you will have some extra sessions of design thinking and some extra classes and some extra assignments. So BDI stands for Business Design and Innovation. And ऐसा भी नहीं है कि अगर आप PGDM BDI कर रहे हो then you will not get the 4 specialization. You can choose any one among the specializations as your major. So I had marketing. So I have done PGDM BDI and with the marketing major and HR minor. Okay, so मैं पहले clear कर दूँ कि मेरा majors marketing में था and मेरा minor HR में था, which is also very diverse. When I was taking admission in SOIL, I had planned कि मेरा marketing में major होगा and analytics में minor होगा, but I have a huge fear of numbers and I was not enough confident that मैं analytics को carry forward कर पाऊँगी. So I thought, and also I was very interested in HR, while मेरे पहले कभी ऐसा plans नहीं था that I will be taking HR. But honestly, SOIL has a very good quality of HR faculties, and when I had attended their classes, I got an interest in HR and I thought कि yeah, this field I should also because HR is something I like to study, and then I thought कि I should carry on with this. This question asked about is about the faculty. So as per my opinion, faculties are really good. We have both regular faculties and visiting faculties, and हमारे IIM से भी faculties है, and they are equally supportive and helpful. ऐसा नहीं है कि one thing if you cannot understand in class you just cannot access them. They are always ready to help you, be it in any thing, be it in your academics, be it your placements, be it in your life projects, internships. They are always available. Okay, so now I'm talking about the peer network. So मेरे बैच के बात करें तो the peer network was really good. Like there were people from all around India and they were really supportive and they had different backgrounds. Like काफ़ी various backgrounds से थे. People were from BCom, BBA and also like zoology and literature. Even some people were from mass comm and they were very supportive and helpful. So peer network had a diverse group of people and also I have some bonds. I had made some bonds in soil which I think will continue in my lifetime. And yeah, like in our batch, people were really supportive and good. And mostly they were freshers, but there were also a few handful of people who had work experience, but I don't think they had work experience more than 3 years, but that was just a handful of them. In talking about our batch, mostly people were freshers and काफ़ी diverse background रहता है, so we get to know about people's cultures and this is a mandatory thing which students need to do. मतलब हमारे batch में तो हुआ था and also my junior batch I know. So you have to volunteer in an NGO which is allotted to you. So this is mainly the responsibility of the Social Innovation Club. Also there are various clubs, I'll talk about it later. So I was a part of Sugam NGO and हमने काफ़ी वहाँ पे काम किया, I guess 1 or 2 months, I don't remember exactly, sorry for that. So I was also responsible in shooting and editing videos for them which they used for their Instagram and YouTube channel. And apart from that, we had prepared them various reports, CSR project proposals, and also we volunteered as teachers for teaching the school children for Sugam NGO. The Sidbadi experience was really good and it was one of the major part of my entire soil journey. And also जाने से पहले I was very skeptical about it कि क्यों ही जाना है, just because it is a part of the curriculum and नहीं जाते. Also there are some students who opted not to go because they had something emergency in their family, but I am very very thankful that I went there and I experienced all of it. I have collaborated with some squad members and also we did a lot of assignments there which was very lively and we got to know a lot of things apart from our PGDM curriculum, and that trip was very very essential and I have a lot of memories with my friends there and I think this was the most important and happening part of. Also, Soil has a lot of clubs and academies like all other colleges. So as far as I remember, clubs में you have Toastmasters clubs which mainly works on debates or any kind of public speaking and all of that. And then you have Cultural Club which organizes all of the cultural activities which goes on in your campus. Then you have Design Thinking Club which is also very essential for a college which focuses so much on design thinking. Then we have Social Media Club which is mainly responsible for creating all the hype and buzz and giving you all the updates about what is going on in our campus. So I was a member of the Social Media Club, and apart from that there is also Social Innovation Club, and so there are a lot of clubs. I'm sorry that if I missed anything. And there are also academies जो चार specializations है like marketing, finance, HR and analytics. We have all the academies. So if any student is interested in any of the specializations then you can obviously join the academies as well. So काफ़ी students का ये queries होता है कि कौन सा clubs join करूँ, कौन सा academies join करूँ, because it is going to be a lot of hodgepodge and all of that. Then apart from that you have committees like Alcom and Placecom and Student Council. So all of these ये आपको academics में तो इतना help नहीं करते हैं, but I would say that helps you in your personality development. Like you get to network with a lot of people, you get to learn the actual value of teamwork, leadership abilities, your communication skill. So basically आपका काफ़ी communication skills पे growth and basically आपका personality development होता है यहाँ पे. So if you are one of the students who have not so much to write about in your resume, you can just tailor all these experiences which you have done in this clubs and activities, and academies. So ये आपको उस way में help करता है. And also talking about Alcom and Placecom, I was also a member of the alumni committee. Here you can network with the Soils alumni, be it PGDM or PGPM. So yeah, you can build your network, and also similar way में Placecom भी है, you get to network with the industry mentor. Another very important thing is about the scholarship. So I got a merit based scholarship, and now ऐसा नहीं है कि once you get the scholarship letter from the college you are liable to get the scholarship. ऐसा नहीं है, you have to also give an interview. मैंने एक interview दिया था even after taking admission in college, so that I am eligible for the scholarship or not. उसके बाद I guess I got the scholarship letter अलग से, and also उसमें कुछ terms and conditions होते हैं which you need to fulfill in order to get the scholarship at the end. So उसमें there are 3 things. Firstly, this was in my batch, okay. So firstly there was you have to maintain 3.2 CGPA overall in all the semesters and overall, okay. And secondly you have to do research assistant duties, that is RA duties, which I did. And third is 90% attendance, which is I don't think is practically possible. हो भी सकता है but मेरा नहीं हुआ है. So only if you fill all the 3 categories and if you have no complaints in anything, so you are eligible for the scholarship, okay. So that is a thing. Okay, so now comes the most important part जिसके लिए I know maximum of you are here. So that is placements obviously. And yeah, the first question first is am I placed or not? I am placed and मेरी placement अक्टूबर में हो गई है. Also I will not disclose the company because if you follow my channel you will get to know initially which company, because I will be making more videos on that. एंड नॉट अबाउट सॉइल, बिकॉज मेरी सॉइल की जर्नी ख़त्म हो गई है एंड दिस इज़ आई गेस दिस इज़ द लास्ट एंड फाइनल वीडियो आई एम मेकिंग अबाउट सॉइल. But also if I get a lot of queries which I could not cover in this video, then I might make another video, but that is not on my priority list. So yes, if you follow my channel, you'll get to know which company I have been placed in. And talking about the highest placement package, that is this is all based on my opinion, because once I have been placed, मैंने उतना follow up नहीं रखा है. So as per my knowledge, the highest package which was in my year is 18 LPA, and also very important, the placement is still now going on. Okay, there are still students who have not yet been placed. There have not been 100% placements. एंड ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, प्लेसमेंट्स अभी भी चल रही है. 100% प्लेसमेंट अभी तक नहीं हुआ है. एंड अगर कोई कॉलेज आपको बोल रहा है कि 100% प्लेसमेंट है, इट इज़ गारंटीड, देन इट इज़ अ बिग स्कैम, बिकॉज लॉट ऑफ फैक्टर्स पे प्लेसमेंट डिपेंड करता है, बी इट योर बैकग्राउंड, बी इट द मार्केट कंडीशन, एनीथिंग. सो मेरे बैच में अभी तक 100% प्लेसमेंट नहीं हुआ है. देयर आर स्टिल अ लॉट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स हु आर गेट टू बी प्लेस्ड, एंड कॉलेज अभी तक ट्राई कर रहे हैं टू गेट देम कंपनीज एंड टू गेट देम opportunities where they can like sit for interviews and get a job. So yeah, this is a good thing about college ki, because हमारा convocation काफ़ी time 1 month पहले हो गया है, and even after convocation placements are still going on for the students who have not yet been placed, but the majority of the batch has been placed, and there are few students who are yet to be placed, and I hope they'll get placements. Also, one more thing which I would like to tell you beforehand, that attendance is a very important thing in soil. Okay, if you are planning to take admission in soil, be very mindful of your attendance, because this is something which college is really strict about. So you have to maintain 80% attendance in all your subjects and in everything. अगर ये नहीं होता है, then you will be having grade cut, and after that you will be debarred from a subject. Okay, and that is real. ऐसा नहीं है कि बस कॉलेज डरा रहे हैं नहीं करेंगे, that is real. So please be regular and try to attend the classes and try to maintain 80% attendance in everything. This was all about my experience in soil, and I have tried to cover all the frequently asked questions which I get, and also सब कुछ एक वीडियो में कवर करना पॉसिबल नहीं है. So if you have any more queries apart from the things which I have covered, you are free to reach me out in any form. Like you can comment below. I will try to reply you as soon as possible, and also मैं अपना Instagram handle and LinkedIn ID भी दे दूँगी, so you can DM me over there if you have any more queries apart from something which I have not covered in this video. I will try my best to guide you as best as I can, and all the best for your journey. And if you are liking my videos, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And also अब से मैं videos बनाऊँगी related to my corporate journey, so stay tuned for that. Bye bye.